Now we're gonna paint a unicorn today!
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any?
Some of you have pointed out that there was graffiti on the other wall across from the previous wall that got trashed by those hooligans. So we are transforming their ugly, junk, stupid art into something really cool and amazing. And yes, even unicorns, despite the fact that they are really cute and fuzzy, can also be awesome and tough looking. So that's what we're doing today. We are creating two unicorns, a white one and a black one, and they will both have different colors that will mesh together into the middle.
Promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a
Yeah, cleaning up your mess, that's what it's all about. And since it's in the back of the garage, it doesn't really matter. But hey, we had the guy who sprays the place for cockroaches come over, and he was amazed by the art we created. So I hope you like it too. Give us a thumbs up and a like, and smash that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel, and all that other stuff that YouTubers ask you to do. Just do whatever you want. And of course, we had the greatest help in the world from Melody and from Layla, our two daughters. We have two other kids as well, but those are the ones that are the oldest, and they were able to help. We were going to create one with cold colors and one with warm colors, but we didn't have any red, so we just used pink instead. I hope you like it anyway. Melody is doing a great job, don't you think, guys? Give her the thumbs up. Okay, I'll stop asking now. As you can imagine, it took a long time. It took several hours. But actually, with that much help, it wasn't as much work as the other one, and it didn't take me 2 whole afternoons. It actually just took 1 afternoon. So, yeah, it's awesome. Just means I have more time to do chores, play video games, clean up the kitchen, do the dishes. Don't have to spend all that time painting. Although we had the inside of the garage painted too. Watch that for another video. I'm going to post another video soon about that. And yes, I still do play basketball, even though I am not as in great a shape as I was 20 years ago. But I still play basketball every week. Let us know in the comments, which one do you like better so far, the black or the white unicorn? Yeah, gotta get the middle too. I honestly don't know what else to say about it. I mean, it all speaks for itself. It all shows what it is. I don't really have to explain anything. It is just a piece of art, and it should be photographed and put in the newspaper and put all over the world on websites. And I should probably get a Nobel Prize or Peace Award for it. And yes, I would share that award with the rest of my family, sure. A little bit. Maybe our kids will be the next generation of artists. Hey, take this, Vincent van Gogh. Sorry for sticking my butt into the camera. I just was painting, didn't realize the camera was there, but hey, you get to see my painted butt a little better. Good for you. And now the finishing touches. Don't you love how the left colors just blend in with the right colors in the middle, and it just becomes this wishy-washy wave of color and unique artistic talent. There it is. We got the unicorns, the butterflies. Super cool. And then on this side, we have that. Yeah. Isn't it awesome?